Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time coming up on my channel, go ahead and check us out and hit that subscribe button and join the Xcellence family. I am excited to share with you guys my Christmas Poundland haul. I went into Poundland and picked up a few Christmas bits and also a few bits for some DIYs. So guys, I am sharing that with you lots. So keep watching guys, and I hope you enjoy. If you see anything that you like, just comment and let me know. And without further ado, let's get on to seeing what I got from Poundland. Okay, I got some Christmas bits, but I also got a few other items. So I'm just sharing everything that I bought in Poundland with you. I don't think I meant to clap, but okay guys, I'll show you a few of my DIY items. I'll just show you at random. As I can pick them out the bag, I'll show you. So this is the bag, and I think this is cute. More Isses than Vogue. So that's a cute bag, and I've got some items on the floor as well. So first item I bought are these silver 4x6 photo frames, and it comes with 2 in the pack. And I bought a few of them because I've got a DIY coming up that I want to do with them. So next thing I picked up were these 2 £1, I think they're from Pep & Co, but they were £1 mirrors. And they're just like this. I actually picked them up to use the mirror, not necessarily to use them like this, but I don't know. But they're quite cute if you just want to put them up like this anyways. So I picked up 2 of those, and I got 2 cake boards. They are really to do a DIY, and they're just gold. And I got myself 2 of those cake boards. Another essential, I got myself some freezer bags. As whenever you go into Poundland, you pick up these little essential items. I got these Garland Ties. And 10 comes in the pack. So you're putting up your garland and you want to maybe tie the baubles onto it. Then these are quite good to actually help to tie it together instead of using your actual garland and taking away some of that fluff. So I got me some garland ties, and these are little essentials for DIY. I got a double-sided tape, and it's just got some sticky pads as well. Christmas decor I got, and these are for £1. I got me some DIY wreath. So it's just make your own wreath, and I got 2 of those as well. I've got some DIYs that I want to do with these, so I've picked up 2 of those. I got me 2 packs of scatter crystals. If you're doing like canvas DIYs, you can use these. They're quite beautiful. So 2 of those. Another thing I got, I think these are really cute, are some Christmas flowers. Some poinsettia. Oh, those are gorgeous. These are, you can put these on your garland, your wreath, your Christmas tree, your Christmas tree. So yes guys, I think I would like to actually get some more of these, but I did just pick up 2, but they're quite nice, and they come already fluffed and separated. What else have I got? I got me a few DIY beads, a few metallic beads. You always get these in Poundland in the Christmas time, and they are gorgeous when you DIY something and put them on it. You can also use them to DIY your baubles for Christmas time. And I got a silver and some gold ones, and it's a lot comes in the pack, and I think I picked up like 3 or 4 of these. Yeah, I picked up 2 each, so I've got 4 of these. And those comes in so handy if you like to DIY. And if you are someone like me who thinks glitter makes everything better. I also got these Pics. No, I was going to say this is my last Christmas item, but no, I've got something else that I really, really love. And I picked up these Pics. So 3 comes in the pack, and they're just little foam balls type Pics. They're quite cute. My last Christmas item that I got is this. Ooh, take a look at this, guys. This is so cute. I think this is so cute. I've got a little bit on his ear there, but I can fix that. Yeah. So I think this is so cute. And even though I've got it, I really wanted blue because I'm doing blue this year, but they didn't have any blue, and I just thought the green was really nice as well. They've got it in like a red, burgundy red, which is really pretty as well. So if you're doing red, you can definitely check out Poundland for these. They are so cute, and they are just £1. So these are some cute Stag. I have an idea to make it even more beautiful, and I think I'll show you guys that in one of my DIY. But yes, guys, these are gorgeous. I'm loving it. It's quite. Let me know if you think these are gorgeous. I love them. And I think that concludes my Christmas section. I also got these candles, but I got these pillar candles, and it's just the little flickering light ones, and it's got you put the battery in and it flickers. I think what I'll do with this is add some Mod Podge and glitter and make it even more beautiful. But yes, just some white candles. I got me some paint. So some blue paint here and just some acrylic paint, and I've got some white one. Some white paint as well. So just picked up some paint to do some painting, and these are all just £1. I found these where it says 50p in the 50p section, but actually when I went they weren't 50p. They were actually £1, but I just didn't bother putting them back. I just took them because I planned on taking out the picture and doing something with them for my daughter's room. So just these 2 frames. And my last item, I got this moisturizer. I got this moisturizer for my daughter's face, and it's just the simple moisturizer. She's just heading towards teenage years, and her face is starting to need a bit more TLC, so I got her a moisturizer. I think that's all the items I got from Poundland. I did get a storage container as well, but I started using it. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my haul. I enjoyed sharing my little haul with you guys. I'm looking forward to using some of these for my DIYs, and I appreciate you all. Thank you for your love and support. And as usual, have a lovely day and be blessed. I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.